know it's a Korean food video when my metal chopsticks come out. 안녕하세요, hello. So usually when I greet you like this, it means it's officially K-influencer season. And if you don't know what that means, it's basically who I am. So I'm a K-influencer, and with the help of K-influence Academy and courses, I promote all things Korean culture happening around me. So yeah, but today it's going to be a very chilled video, and I'm going to try making tteokbokki at home. I have never made it at home. I have made a lot of Korean dishes and they usually turn out pretty decent, but this one is first time. Yeah, so before I get started, I want to share something with you guys. That is this lip color. This is not sponsored, although you can use my code Deeplina26 on YesStyle. I'll put it on the screen. You can get this brand from YesStyle, but this is the brand called rom&nd, and this brand is really popular among K-pop makeup artists. A lot of idols use this brand, and this is juicy lasting tint in the shade jujube. So jujube is actually a very popular sort of fruit in Korea, and if you watch the drama Our Beloved Summer, you will know that it also helps with insomnia. So that jujube tea, not tree. Tea, yeah, tea. So this shade is called jujube. Who thought that something so beneficial for your health will also look good as a lipstick shade? So that's what I'm actually wearing right now. It's not very like on your face kind of a color, and I'm gonna swatch it on my palm for you guys to see. So do you see the shade? I just wanted to share this with you guys because I love K-beauty. That's where I started, and a lot of you keep on asking me about this, that. So yeah, get this if you are looking for a nice, pretty, lightweight lip tint. Okay, now back to food because that's important. So recently there was this little Korean culture expo sort of a thing in my city where I live in India. It's called Kolkata, and they had a variety of like things going on. There was like a little, I think, K-pop contest or something like that, and also the Korean embassy in India, with the help of another Korean chef, they had a lot of, I think, free Korean food workshop. I couldn't attend them sadly. I was not free, but I did go to my nearest Spencer's where they had this expo, and I picked up this, that is tteokbokki at home. I hope it is what it is or else I'll have to change the title of the video. So as you can see, this is what it looks like. I'm already getting like hungry. I also have a kimchi in my fridge, like a ready-made kimchi that they were selling, and I'm usually very skeptical buying Korean packaged food if it's not from a Korean brand, but this one I think this one is run by a Korean person living here, KS Foods. They are very popular. They also have a website if I'm not wrong. So yeah, like this is what it is. I can see the tok, the rice cakes. So let's see how it is. And the other thing that I got is actually this. This is like, they were calling it bibimbap sauce, but they're also saying you can use it in different things. I first thought maybe it's gochujang, which is like red chili pepper paste, and I really love gochujang, gochugaru, but I just turned back, and it's apparently a mix of certain ingredients. It has sesame oil, garlic, sugar, soy sauce. So yeah, I hope it tastes really good. Also, I don't know how many of you know about this because not a lot of you follow me on Instagram, I'm guessing, but a couple of months back, it was in December, with the help of another Korean businessman who owns a couple of bakeries in Kolkata, we organized this huge carnival event called King's Carnival. We also celebrated the birthday of Taeyang, that is V from BTS, and Jin, that is Seokjin from BTS, their birthdays, because they are both December babies, and it was on 17th December, right? Yeah. So it was really fun. We did a little bit of noraebang situation. It was not really a proper noraebang, but yeah, we ate Korean snacks, we jammed to Korean songs, K-pop, we did everything. We also had like merch, like official merch, and it was really fun. And I didn't expect that event to go so big, but honestly, thanks to everyone who attended that event, and I made a lot of new friends, and that's the main thing. Events come and go and everything, but everything that I do is to have better relationships and life. Okay guys, I think I'm sorted because there is tok and there is also like, you know, all the sauces that I need for tteokbokki. So it's really like very easy. I'm guessing I have sesame seeds. I'm going to garnish with that. Should I use green onions and cheese too? If I'm going to do it, let's just go all out. Also, you know, it's a Korean food video when my metal chopsticks come out. So this is something I picked up during my recent trip and they are just so pretty, right? Like, look at them. Yep. It's so hot. I'm dreading going inside the kitchen. It's like 40 degrees the summer is getting to me, guys. It's 40 degrees Celsius today and I don't know how I'm going to function inside the kitchen, that too like making tteokbokki, but let's do it for the love of Korea and K-Influencer Academy. Whiting, let's go. So you're supposed to boil the tok for 10 minutes and the Indian in me who also eats a lot of rice and rice related products just knows it's done boiling when the water turns, you know, milky. Tteokbokki is ready and it looks really delicious. I can't wait to eat it because it was smelling so good. And I have added, you know, a bit of egg. So this kind of egg is what we use in deemed chol. Deem in Bengali, which is the language, you know, my mother tongue. Deem means egg and chol means gravy curry. Yeah, so egg curry. So usually, you know, my mom, what she does is she boils the whole egg first and then fries it and then puts it into the gravy. She had some eggs that she didn't use for the curry and I ended up using it here. Yup, I did get tteokbokki sauce on my hair, but I cleaned it up. And I have a feeling this sort of, you know, like fusion is really going to taste good. And I've also added cheese because that's a must. Can you see this? It looks so good. Oh my god, I'm getting hungry now. So let's go. Mmm. Mmm. Hmm. Okay, before I continue eating, I just want to say this turned out really good. Might be one of the best I've ever had. I've had tteokbokki before, you know, in Korean restaurants and, you know, like friends, Korean friends who live here, they made it for me. Those were amazing. And this is amazing too. Like, I didn't expect this to be so good. And oh my god, it's so good. But you know, it's not very spicy if you can eat spice. Like I have a very high, you know, spice tolerance, so it's pretty okay for me. It's rather, you know, kind of tangy for me. But I can tell you that people who don't eat spicy food, they're going to find this spicy. Let's see how it tastes with this fried egg. Do you guys want some? It's so good. This tok is, by the way, so chewy. That's with the video, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this little, you know, casual video. Yeah, and let me know what's your favorite Korean food, if you like tteokbokki or not, and if you've tried this or not, and what else do you want me to show, you know, related to Korean culture, Korea, and I'll try my best to do that for you guys. And keep an eye on the space, by the way, because a lot of exciting things are coming up, including a lot of updates. So yes, that's it for this video and I hope you guys will like it. Leave me lots of nice comments and subscribe and share this with your friends, please. Yeah, please take care of yourself. The temperature is like crazy from everyone I'm hearing, you know, all around the world. So please take care of yourself, stay hydrated, take care of your health, and eat lots of yummy Korean food. And I'll see you soon in my next video. Till then, take care. I love you all. Bye bye.